Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will share with you turnip prawns recipe which is very tasty, healthy and less spicy. We will make it without any spice masala. For making turnip prawns recipe, I took one sliced turnip and 250 grams prawns. First clean the prawns. Before removing the outer shell of prawns, clean it properly because after removing the outer shell we will not clean it again. Then devein all the prawns. Now I will add a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder and the juice of a quarter of a lemon. Rub well and keep aside for 10 minutes. In a kadai, pour sufficient oil for frying the prawns. When oil is hot, then put the marinated prawns. Stir evenly on medium flame until it's lightly brown color. Don't over fry and don't make it golden brown. If we over fry the prawns, then the nutritional value will be less. In the same remaining oil, I'll add some whole spice, a small stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 4 peppercorn and a bay leaf. Saute for 5 to 10 seconds. Then add half a teaspoon black mustard seed. Instead of this you can add cumin seed also. Saute and then add half-inch grated ginger. Saute for 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well, then add steamed turnip with 4 slitted green chili. Mix well and cover for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Add half glass water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high flame until turnip pieces are soft. Then add salt according to your taste. Cook for 2 minutes on high heat, then check turnip pieces are soft or not. Our turnip pieces are soft. Now I will add fried prawns. If you like thin curry recipe, in this stage you can add some water. Then add the fried prawns. Cook on medium to high flame for 5 to 6 minutes until prawns is soft. At last you can sprinkle some garam masala powder, but without any garam masala and without any red chili powder. This recipe is very tasty. Try once. It's a Bengali traditional recipe served with hot steamed rice. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.